Welcome to Direct Wholesale Flowers. What is Kokedama? It's a traditional Japanese art form that originated more than 400 years ago.
Kokedama is a ball of soil covered with moss on which an ornamental plant grows. Some people call it the poor man's bonsai or string garden. It's a poor man bonsai because bonsai trees were really expensive back in those days. This way, anyone could create a little bonsai kokedama for themselves by using any type of plants and putting it into this bowl of mud and moss. It is called the string bonsai because you can hang the kokedama like this.
How do you know your kokedama needs watering? The first sign is the weight.
So if you carry it and it's super light like this one, that means the soil is really dry and it's time to water them. The frequency of watering depends on the plants used for your moss ball. Here is what we recommend. For foliage kokedama, once a week. Succulents kokedama, every 2 to 3 weeks. Remember, with succulents, you want to make sure the soil is really dry because succulents doesn't want so much watering. The second step to check if your kokedama needs watering is with a toothpick. So, the way you want to check is to insert the toothpick right inside the soil. And you want to make sure your sticks goes all the way to the middle of your kokedama ball. Then you take it out, and if the stick is dry, that means your kokedama needs watering. So, here is what you need to water your kokedama. To start, fill the bowl with water to the level where your moss ball will be covered halfway. Remember, you want the water to reach the roots, but not the plants itself. You can add more water if needed. Let it stay for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take your moss ball out of the water and let it dry for another 15 minutes. A faster way is to use a dry cloth, wrap it around the kokedama, and give a gentle squeeze to dry the moss.
And there you have it, a watered kokedama. Do give this tip a try. Until next time, stay tuned at Direct Wholesale Flower.